Welcome to this presentation on thermal overload relays, essential motor guardians. In this session, we'll explore their crucial role in safeguarding motors and maintaining reliable electrical systems. Introduction. Electric motors are the backbone of industrial and commercial applications. However, one of the biggest risks they face is overheating, which can lead to costly damage and downtime. Thermal overload relays are designed to detect and prevent such conditions, making them an essential layer of protection. What is a thermal overload relay? A thermal overload relay is a protective device that shields motors from excessive current and heat. It works on the principle of thermal expansion, detecting overloads and cutting power before damage occurs. This ensures motors operate safely within their designed limits. How it works. When a motor draws excessive current, it produces heat. Inside the relay, bimetallic strips bend in response to this heat. Once the temperature crosses a safe threshold, the relay trips and disconnects the motor from the power source. This simple yet effective mechanism prevents overheating and burnout. Benefits of thermal overload relays. Thermal overload relays provide several key benefits. They protect motors from damage, reduce costly downtime, extend equipment life, and deliver automatic and reliable protection without manual intervention. Applications. These relays are widely used across industries. From pumps and compressors to HVAC systems and conveyor belts, they are indispensable wherever motors are critical to operations. Their role is not just preventive but also crucial in ensuring operational continuity. Conclusion. In conclusion, thermal overload relays are truly the guardians of electric motors. By preventing overheating, they protect investments, reduce maintenance costs, and ensure reliable system performance. No motor protection strategy is complete without them.